Hi everyone, Masala Thosai is a very tasty dosa with potato stuffing that is usually served in restaurants and hotels. Masala Thosai is so filling and delicious because of the spiced masala stuffing. Masala Thosai can be served with chutneys and gravies, although it tastes very good on its own. In this recipe, we will see how to make the delicious masala stuffing for the dosa. I will also share a recipe for coconut ginger chutney to serve with the masala dosa. So let's head over to the kitchen. First, let's prepare the masala stuffing. For this, heat up some oil. Put half teaspoon of mustard seeds and let it crackle. Then add cumin seeds and some curry leaves. Now add sliced or chopped onions and saute for 1 to 2 minutes until the onions are translucent. Next, add pounded or blended ginger garlic paste. Then add sliced chillies, whether green or red chillies, whatever is available. Now add a little turmeric powder. This is important to give a bright yellow color and nice flavor to the potato masala. And now we can add some mashed potatoes. I have boiled and peeled 3 potatoes here and mashed them lightly. They don't have to be mashed too much. Some potato chunks should remain for a better consistency and taste. Now we can add a half cup of water. Add some salt to taste. I'm adding half teaspoon of salt. I'm also adding some grated carrots. This is entirely optional. We can make the masala without any vegetables other than potatoes. Cover the pan and let the mixture simmer for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the masala is well cooked and almost dry. Now we can add some shredded coriander leaves. Set aside the masala to cool. In the meantime, we can prepare the chutney to serve with the masala dosa. This is a very simple chutney that is tasty and non-spicy. Take about 1 cup of grated coconut. Place the grated coconut in a blender or grinder. Add ginger slices and salt, followed by a little water. Blend or grind until the coconut is a fine slurry mixture. Now we will prepare a simple tempering for the chutney. Heat up about 1 tablespoon of oil in a small pan. Add mustard seeds and let them crackle. Then add curry leaves and dry chillies. Fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Then pour the tempering over the chutney. Now the chutney is ready to serve. Let's prepare the masala dosa. I have already prepared the dosa batter earlier and let it to ferment overnight. For dosa batter recipe, please refer to my earlier mau dosa recipe. The link is in the description below. So now I will add a little salt and beat the dosa batter with a ladle to mix it up. We can use a cast iron dosa griddle like this or any non-stick pan. Rub some oil on the griddle to prevent the batter from sticking. Take a ladle full of batter and spread it out in a spiral movement. Once the dosa is slightly brown, spread a teaspoon of sesame seed or any cooking oil. Then place 1 to 2 tablespoons of masala stuffing on the dosa. Now roll the dosa up to enclose the stuffing inside. Be careful here as the griddle is very hot. Remove the dosa and serve with chutney and sambar, that is yellow lentil curry or vegetarian spicy gravy. You can refer to my recipes for sambar and onion curry, which go very well with the dosa. Hope you will try out this recipe. Do let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.